7. Ikaw. Where's
Ayaw?
7? Be fresh. Ay! Oh, I like it. Let's go to that spice.
Go.
I pick another. Pick another. Oh, I put. Hi! Oh, my game's not fun. Yay! I get. Oh? I got one. There's one. Wait now. Why? For our third one, I pick 5. I can one. No, I don't like coffee. Means the toasters, they uncode it. I cannot open it. They just like. They did not taste like good. I pick 8. Yes! My favorite candy. Double mint. This is good. Can you open it?
Go.
Okay, this is double mint. Candy. Oh, sorry. It's good. Very good. So easy. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and please comment down below. And please subscribe.